January 1st, 2026. We're kicking off the new year right, I guess. It's 28 degrees and windy. We're headed to a DMAP zone with a couple of thunder sticks. We're cheating in the late season. Can you believe it, Nate? What in the world? Anyway, we're gonna head up here and see if we can get on a doe. Nate, he's still trying to wax his first deer. And I am apparently a glutton for punishment. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see you in the woods. We're not gonna be sitting probably. We're gonna be hitting some thick stuff and see if we can get something moving. Do a little deer tracking maybe. There's a tiny skip of snow, and I mean tiny. I don't know if it's enough to track anything or not, but yippee! You excited, Nate? You look excited. Really excited. Some would even say super excited. All right, we got 25 degrees when we get up here, and it's windy, so we are headed up through some thick stuff here and see if we can rouse something out of its bed. You ready? Wow, there's enough snow to make it easier to see. Edge of a little bowl where a pretty steep gully comes up the mountain. There's quite a bit of deadfall up here. I thought there might be some deer bedded just off this edge. Nothing yet. We're gonna keep working our way up along here. See if we bump anything out of its bed. Just got done refinishing the stock on this rifle. This is a Remington 7600 chambered in 270 Winchester, and all this beautiful grain was hidden underneath the factory Remington varnish and stain. It's got a beautiful stock. Look at that. Anyway, this is the first time out with it since I refinished it. It's really pretty. The only thing I don't have yet is I want to get a sling mount for the barrel. One of those ones that goes around the barrel. I have the stud down here, but I had a sling that went in the top hole, but it worked. The part that it screws into, it worked it loose. And when I took it apart, the whole thing came out. And I had to do some Perry County engineering to get it out of there. Anyway, it's a really nice gun. It's got the engraved stock. It's got bears on that side, bucks on that side. It's the first gun I ever bought when I was 18. Got a track. It's old and filled in, but it's a track.
something up here. Never know. We're gonna pop up over the edge of this hill here. See if we can rouse to something at close range. Up here on this side of the hill here. There is no fresh tracks, but there's old tracks in here. Man, it is bitter cold out. This wind is just eats into you. The old steel cable. Well, we got fresh tracks here. First tracks we run across all day. Man, these things are probably made this morning. I mean, if I had to guess, I'd say he's probably a size 10.5, maybe size 11, around 220 pounds. That's just judging by, man, he's got a long stride. He might be 6 foot, 230. Real wide gait. He probably mature. I was just getting ready to tell Nate, man, we're looking over a little bit of a flat here. Man, that looks like deer country. It looks like a deer could bust out of there and come up across, you know. 2 minutes later, boot tracks. Alright, we hit an old logging road here. What words of wisdom do you have for everybody, Nate? Get after it. Get on it. Lay waste. Shoot them. All that stuff. I think we went out as far as we're gonna go. The sun just dipped behind the mountain. We're on the shade side. I think what we're gonna do is start heading back down. We kind of made a big triangle. So it's stinking cold. The temperature's dropping. I can't even feel my cheeks anymore. They are froze. Wow. Does the cold make you look old? Or does age make you look old? Let's see. Nathan still looks young, so must be age catching up with me. see something? Oh, he whipped his gun up. I thought he saw something. That was how you really feel about it, Nate. Come on, come on. We're waiting. Every time I try to videotape a short,
But your hiccup is like no Lord Fauntleroy.
see that? Camera cured him. The camera cured the hiccups.
Just about full. That's pretty. Well, headed to the house. How long do you think we walked? We probably did 2.5, 3 miles. Something like that. One of these tracks, fresh tracks we saw was another guy. And we seen some old tracks that were snowed over. Which it snowed, was it last night? It snowed last night, so. Anyway, it was 25 when we got up there. It's 21 degrees now. And I bet you it was 20 or below up on the mountain where we were. You could feel the temperature dropping the whole time we were up there. It was cold. Boy, am I glad that I don't have to spend 24/7 out of doors like the deer do. Wow. I was thinking things are tough. Tougher than me, I'll tell you that. So, what do you think, Nate? We're gonna go out and make it back out anymore this year? I mean, I'm sure we will in like October or something, but seeing as we're in 2026 now, but I don't know. It's pretty cold out there. Oh. Holidays are over. Back to work tomorrow. Back to school Monday. Back to the nasty now and now. Welcome back to reality, everybody.